Alrighty everyone, so I am making this video for preservation purposes of my old Animal Crossing New Leaf Town. So I am on my sister's DS because I don't have mine anymore, and she has me on the Happy Home Academy. So here is my old account, myself as a cringe child, in 2017. May the force be with you. Here's my dream address if you still have Animal Crossing New Leaf. Here is my dream address if you want to see my old town, but here's this. Just gonna do a tour of my old house, which is last updated June 6, 2019. So yeah, here we go. Just the main look of the house. You can got this little kitty statue right here, or the mannequin, I should say. Just some statues and trophies that I've collected. Some of the little gyroids in here. Alright, here's the DJ room. Just has like a whole bunch of DJ KK stuff. Got like the Nintendo DS that has KK on it, the Wii U, music stand, guitar. Of course, this right here, playing DJ KK, obviously. This little pixel art of KK and just everything about being a DJ is right here. Okay, I think y'all are really going to enjoy this room. I have a hilarious sense of humor, so here we go. Humor still remains to this day. I don't know why, but I mean, it's hilarious. So, a bathroom. We have the Tootoids. Obviously, they make fart noises. I don't know why, but I put this in the bathroom because why not? So yeah, here is just the bathroom. So yeah. Not much to see here, but okay. And obviously, as you could tell, I have always loved pink. I've always loved cats whenever you go into this room. My pink room, pink with hearts. So definitely screams hearts vibes. Now this was also before I got into the furry fandom, but you can definitely tell where hearts came from, and just really everything. It's like, yeah, I was destined to be a furry. So yeah, here we go. This is the pink hearts room. Okay, so that's the first floor room, and then down in the basement. This is like the cafe. I can't tell you how many cups of coffee I had to buy at Brewster's Cafe to be able to get all of the gyroids. And just to get all this coffee memorabilia. And then, of course, I always wore glasses and a pink flower, so I kind of just did that with mannequins. Just got, like, the little raccoon statues and cash register and just all kinds of coffee-themed items. Relaxing space, and yeah, that's what we got here. Okay, then the second floor. Now, up here, if you don't know about Animal Crossing, you may be a bit confused. So I have albums on the wall and on the floor and these little clamshell music boxes. So, let's see here. If we go to, let's see. I know most of the songs I used here were some of my favorites that I wanted, like KK Stroll. If you open the music box, so yeah, it's all kinds of music boxes, and just kind of do that. KK Fusion. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. It did take a long time to get all of those clamshells and stuff. I remember just grinding the beach for hours, just trying to find giant clamshells to make music boxes. So yeah, this is the tour of my house from like 2019. So my sister wanted to create a new account, and I will no longer be on the Happy Home Academy, so I just wanted to do this for preservation purposes and just poke a little fun at myself from 2017, 2019. I hope you all enjoyed. Bye!